Into solving the x and y intercepts of this equation would be to divide the y by 4 because we want to get this y variable by itself on one side of the equal sign. And when you do that to one variable, you have to do it to both sides. So we'll divide this by 4 and this. And this is going to give us 6x over 4 plus y, because these two 4's cross out, equals 24 divided by 4, which is 6. And this 6 over 4x can reduce even further if you divide it by 2. So that's going to give us 3 over 2x plus y equals 6. Now we want to get this equation into the y equals mx plus b format. So in order to do that, we are going to subtract the 3 over 2x from both sides of the equation. And this will give us y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 6. So now you can find the x and y intercepts. We will start with the x, although it doesn't really matter which one you start with. And in order to find the x-intercept, you will substitute 0 in for the y. We'll write the rest of the equation. And then you want to get this x variable by itself. So we are going to add the 3 over 2x to both sides of this equation. And this is going to give us a positive 3 over 2x equals 6. In order to get this x variable by itself, we will multiply by the reciprocal. And we have to do this to both sides. And now both of these 2's will cross out, and so will the 3's. So then we're just left with x equals 6 times 2 is 12 over 3. And this will reduce to 4, and you'll write it as 4, 0. Now to find the y-intercept, all you will do is substitute 0 in for x, and this will give you y equals 6, which you will write in the y's place.